Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well and having a great start to 2020. So today I thought I would share with you my top 10 beauty tools and accessories that I have been loving over the past year. I did do a similar video a couple of years ago where I shared 5 favourite tools and accessories, but as my love for skincare has grown over the last few years, so has my interest in skincare tools and accessories and trying out different ones. So the 10 that I share, I'm not telling you guys to go and buy all 10. I just wanted to share my 10 favourites that I have been using and testing out over the course of 2019 coming into 2020. And hopefully this will help you out if you are interested in up-leveling your skincare routine when choosing the right skincare tool or accessory for you. Also, don't forget to stay to the end because I have a giveaway for you guys just to say thank you for over 15,000 of you. I wanted to give back to you. I said this a couple of months ago, but I've been gathering everything together and now is the right time to give this all away to you. It is going to be an international giveaway, so stay to the end to hear more about that. But without further ado guys, let's get right into the video. The first accessory that I have for you guys is my Muji foaming net. Now I love using this on days where I want to do a really quick and gentle cleanse. The net works well with either a cleansing bar of soap or a gel cleanser, I find, and it creates a foam to gently cleanse the skin, specifically of a morning, which is when I like using this net. The Muji net is super affordable as well. I want to say it's about £1.50. Another reason why this is such a great tool is because it's very economical, hence you don't need much cleanser to create a reasonable amount of lather or foam to cover the whole face and neck when cleansing. Next up we have my beloved Luna Mini 3 by Foreo cleansing device. First off, this is a really eco-friendly device as you don't ever need to replace the head and you don't have to charge it that often as well, which is one of the reasons I love this. The Luna Mini 3 for me is convenient, quick and totally customizable, and I love this for a good deeper clean without the worry of it pulling or tugging on the skin. And I use this of a morning after the gym when I do my full morning skincare routine, but I will link down below the original video where I demoed this and also the blog post to go along with it if you want to see a more detailed review and you just want to know more in general about this kind of device from Foreo. Okay, beauty tool number 3 is my microneedler from Flexi London. This is a more recent discovery for me personally, but this has been such a game changer within my evening skincare routine and I've thoroughly enjoyed incorporating this into my routine as it's allowed especially my vitamin C serums to work more efficiently and penetrate deeper into the skin. I will leave again a link down below to the original video where I demoed this and specifically about this microneedler from Flexi London. Another new addition to my skincare cupboard recently is my heated eye massager. So I picked this up in Singapore from a shop called Miniso, and I've recently found out that this brand has a shop in London in Ealing Broadway. So I will put the link to their Instagram down below if you want to go and check out more about them. I use this right after my eye cream or serum to again help the product sink deeper into the skin's layers. And I find this is really comforting, especially around the eye area, because it does warm up while you're using it on the skin. Additionally, you can use this to massage other areas on the face, including above the brow bone and also on the smile line. Cotton squares are my next favorite beauty accessory. These I really enjoy using to swipe over a variety of skincare products, including toners, glycolic acids, micellar waters and essences. And the reason why I'm specifically fond of the square shaped cotton is because it is the perfect size to use across the face and neck, and it is so soft and gentle to the touch. Furthermore, you can buy these cotton squares in large packs. If you've been watching me for a while now, you guys know I love the ones from Muji, so I really like the original ones and also the peelable cotton squares. And if you saw my Asian skincare haul, then I did manage to pick up some coloured ones from Miniso, and I'm really enjoying using specifically these ones. They are super soft and nice and thin. Something else that I use on a daily basis is white flannels. I just grabbed the cheap ones from Primark. They come in a 3-pack for about £1.50. I haven't got any to show you guys right now because they are all in the wash as I use them in the morning and the evening. You've probably seen me use these throughout any of the skincare routines that I've shared with you guys here on YouTube, and I just enjoy using a basic white flannel. I do like a muslin cloth every now and again, and also a makeup eraser, but on the daily I tend to wipe away my cleansers with a damp flannel, as they are really nice and soft and durable. Moving on to something that I have spoken about a lot here on my channel over the past year, and that is my sheet mask protector. So this is a rubber mask that goes over your sheet mask, and the reason for this is not only does it help your sheet mask stay in place, but it can also aid in the essence on the sheet mask to sink in further into the skin, a bit like some of the other skincare tools and accessories that I've spoken about. This is just one of my holy grail accessories ever since I discovered it. I really cannot live without it, because sometimes when I am trying out different sheet masks, I find they don't fit the face or they tend to slide about. So this just helps everything stay in place. Beauty tool number 8 is the crystal roller. These are probably one of the most well-known and popular skincare tools in recent years. There are several ways I use mine, including on top of the sheet mask protector that I just spoke about. Using the roller to massage on top of the protector helps absorb the sheet mask better into the skin, and likewise I use the smaller end on top of eye masks and under eye pads. Plus, these rollers are great to massage in facial oil if you're just in need of a pamper, or you do want to up level your skincare routine just to make the product sink in better. And it also plumps up the skin as well because you're massaging the face over and over. I like doing this in bed actually before I go to bed, so I just do a quick roller all over the face and neck. We'll link a video on how I use these massage tools. The next accessory I have used for years, and I tend to use them alongside a clay and mud mask to remove this type of mask, and that is the round cellulose sponges. These come in all different shapes, sizes and colours, but I find them really good at removing my clay and mud masks because they are highly absorbent and they remove these types of masks much more efficiently and quickly. Okay guys, my final tool that I wanted to share with you is something that I use on a weekly basis, and that is a face razor. So these remove peach fuzz and just any facial hair around this area, although you can use these all over the face. If you are new to these and you're not familiar with how to use them, I will leave a couple of videos down below of other people that have demoed them, just so you can see where to go with them, because they are a razor, so you do have to be careful. These are very gentle on the skin. They're not like a normal razor that you would use on your legs or your armpits and things like that, but these are so convenient if you do have a bit of peach fuzz and you haven't got time to maybe go to a salon and get it waxed or use a hair removing cream. This just does the job on the spot, which is why I really like them. I tend to keep quite a few in my skincare cupboard just so I've always got one to hand, or if they go blunt I can just use a fresh one. You can get these lots of different places, but I tend to get mine either when I go to Singapore or on Amazon. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. I really hope you did. Let me know in the comments down below if you already use any of these beauty tools or accessories, or maybe one of these that you haven't tried that you would be intrigued to try. So now I'm going to go into the giveaway. I have collected some really nice goodies for you guys. As I mentioned at the start, this is an international giveaway because I know not everyone is from the UK, and I just wanted to give back to you guys and tell you how much I appreciate all your support. I just love chatting to you guys about anything from skincare to cleaning. I will probably do a cleaning giveaway in the near future, but this is a makeup and skincare related giveaway. So I'm just going to go through everything. I will have the rules listed down below as well, and what you could win. There is going to be one giveaway winner. As I mentioned, this is open internationally, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment on this video, and that is it. Let me show you what you could win. As well as this, I will post a photo of everything that you can win on the community tab here on YouTube and Instagram as well. The first thing is you will receive this bag from Beauty Expert. This is a nice big skincare or makeup bag and great for travel. It's a really nice size and lovely quality. Then inside you get one of my favourite sheet mask protectors, the pink one. Then some of my square cotton that I really like. A Muji foaming net that I mentioned in this video. The mask sponges, these came all the way from Thailand. Then makeup wise, I have this Pixie by Petra palette. This is the Natural Beauty Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. Then to use with your palette is this eye brush set. It has 3 different eye brushes in it, and it comes in this gorgeous pixie case. This would be good for glasses or sunglasses as well. Then from Pixie as well is this matte Last liquid lip in the shade Berry Beauty. I have another lipstick here. This is an intense fruity lipstick from L'Occitane. Then the last lip product is this mini Benefit They're Real Double the Lip in the shade Nude Scandal. To go with the nude eyeshadow palette, I wanted to include a more colourful one as well. I've just got this small one that has all beautiful burgundies in, and this is from the brand Style, and the palette is called Angel. Lastly included in this giveaway is this Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter in the shade OMG. And that is it guys. I really hope you enjoy entering this giveaway. This giveaway will be open until the end of January, and then on the 1st of February I will announce the winner on my community tab on YouTube and also over on Instagram stories. So good luck to everyone who's entering, and thank you so much for supporting me over 2019. I do really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm looking forward to bringing you lots more exciting videos here in 2020. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.